What's up, guys? We're the Mech Boys. I'm Kyle.
I'm Kelton. I'm Colton.
We're gonna do the spark plugs and all the fucking Cobalt here. Hell yeah, we got it back.
Yeah.
Better than ever. Fucking shiny as shit. Nice day out. Windy as fuck though.
Always.
Always. It's fucking Saskatchewan though. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna get started right into that. See if any fucking spark plugs can come out of the old engine here.
Hopefully we tighten them enough and they don't blow out like mine did twice.
And hopefully we don't break any taking them out. Because
That sucks too.
Yeah.
We'll
It's
take
not
it easy.
it's not a Ford engine.
No.
We're not really at risk of that.
No. No. We'll try it. We'll see what happens.
Yep.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know?
Just do one at a time.
Yeah.
So you don't mix up the coil packs.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty hard to do that, but
Sure.
oh no, actually you couldn't.
Oh my
I heard
god.
it hit the ground.
It
We're
hit the
good.
ground, it's fine.
It hit the ground.
Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
I'll slow it down for all these parts.
Yeah. That's a bit of a okay spark plug.
Yeah, it's still
Definitely
not
needs
as
to be
bad as the
changed.
Ford.
Nope.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Kyle. God damn it.
And cut the start of this out. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
Well, that wraps up the video for today. We did a real quick video and whatever.
Went pretty slick.
And we got fucking spark plugs. We can throw them in the Cobra.
Yeah.
Exactly, they'll fit. They don't fit, fucking just thread them in. fuck it. Anyways, they're good. Not really all that good, but they're okay. But yeah, that concludes the video. If you liked her, subscribe. That's about it. Other than that, see you guys later.
Good one.
See ya.